teach you how to crochet this beautiful little cherry blossom. I used 4 strands of cotton yarn and a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. One chain, 5 single crochets, tighten the ring. Pull the yarn tail that moves first counterclockwise. The advantage of starting this way is that the magic ring is very tight and not easy to loosen. Cut off the yarn tail. A slip stitch with the first single crochet. Two chains. One double crochet. One chain. Turn it over. A slip stitch with the chain back ridge. One double crochet at the same stitch. Two chains. A slip stitch at the same stitch. One petal done, which using one stitch.
现在钩织第2组下针木影拔。
Two chains. One double crochet at the same stitch. One chain. Turn it over. A slip stitch with the chain back ridge. One double crochet at the same stitch. Two chains. a slip stitch at the same stitch. The second petal is completed and the rest are crocheted by yourself. There are 5 petals in total. After the last slip stitch, one more slip stitch with the first stitch. One chain and cut off the working yarn. Hide the yarn tail on the back side. Glue the flower core.